Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to guide you through the process of downloading and installing Visual Studio Code, commonly referred to as VS Code, which is a powerful and versatile code editor that's perfect for beginners and professionals alike. The first step is to navigate to the official VS Code website. You can simply type Visual Studio Code into your search engine, or you can go directly to code.visualstudio.com. Once you're on the website, you'll see a blue download button over here. To the right of this button, there is a drop down where you can choose the version that's compatible with your operating system. VS Code is available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Once you have selected the correct version, go ahead and click on Download. The download should start automatically. Depending on your internet speed, it might take a few moments to download. Once the download is finished, locate the downloaded file on your device. This is usually in your Downloads folder, but may vary depending on your browser settings. Now let's install VS Code. Double-click on the downloaded file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. This usually involves agreeing to the license terms, choosing a destination folder, and clicking on Install. Once the installation is finished, you're ready to start coding with VS Code. You can launch it by searching for Visual Studio Code in your device applications or by finding it in your Start menu. Congratulations, you've successfully installed VS Code on your device. Now you can explore its features and start writing your first lines of code.